Ladies and gentlemen, it has already become a tradition all over Europe to celebrate the European Day of Languages on or around 26 September. What's so special about languages in Europe? Of course, we are all deeply attached to our languages as we consider them a central element of our identities. At the same time, Europeans are increasingly aware of the difference that foreign language skills can make in their life. A knowledge of foreign language is a handy passport for study or work abroad. It can help you find a job or improve your career prospects. Or it can enable you to travel around, discover new countries and cultures, enjoy foreign films, songs, and literature. Language skills also give a competitive advantage to businesses, opening up profitable export markets. By breaking language barriers, our society reduces inefficiencies and tensions, becomes more dynamic, more pluralist, and more inclusive. The European Commission promotes language learning and linguistic diversity by funding exchanges, networks, partnerships, and twinning projects between schools and universities. As a European Commissioner responsible for education, culture, multilingualism and youth, I'm firmly committed to promoting respect for all languages and better opportunities for lifelong language learning. I count on your support for making this policy a success.